Alright guys, facing heating problem on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to fix this issue. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and keep your device cool without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.